In this video, I will guide you how you can troubleshoot or fix IPTV playback errors. So these are some of the causes that you can check out and you can fix your problem. So first of all, check your internet connection. If your internet connection is not stable, then you may find the playback error. The second one, restart your device. Once you restart your device, you will get this error fixed. The third one is clear app cache and data. This will also help you to remove playback error. The fourth one is update your IPTV apps. And the fifth one, adjust video quality settings. It may give you a benefits to fix your error. Or you can try a different IPTV player. Also verify your IPTV subscription. And the last one is contact your IPTV provider if all above steps are not working. Then you will get your error fixed. Thank you for watching.